Hey, what is going on guys? Tech enthusiast here, and this is the Antutu benchmark comparison between the Xiaomi Mi 8 against the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So we have the Snapdragon 845 CPU going up against the Exynos 9820, 6GB of RAM versus 8, and the rest of the specs you can see on these sides. Can the Mi 8 hold up against the Galaxy S10 Plus? Let's find out in this video. So the Mi 8 finished first, however the Galaxy S10 Plus scored higher. Now in the breakdown of the categories, the Galaxy S10 Plus scored higher on every single category, and that's not really surprising as it does have the Exynos 9820 CPU. So that wraps it up for this Antutu benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing as I have more videos coming up. There will be camera comparisons, so make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.